I feel like I have not done what I needed to do. We have less than 6 months in this year. With the new year coming around the corner, it kind of scares me, not gonna lie. I don't know about you, but I feel like this year went by super fast, and when you really think about it, this is just me though, I could be wrong. I feel like I have not done what I needed to do for this year. So in today's video, we're gonna be making the comeback plan. Okay, first thing that we need to do, we have to write out the goals for the next few months of this year. Big goals, small goals, you name it. We need to write those down in a notebook today. We need to start crossing those off throughout the next few months. Setting up a plan will help so much in achieving your goals and getting you faster to your main life goal. I don't know about you, but writing out all my goals helps me get to those goals or goal faster. So grab your notebook, write down all your main goals, your small goals, every little detail, task that you have to do in order to reach that goal. And if you watch my reflection and monthly goal planning video that I posted a week ago, I have Canva and printable versions of a goal planner. So you can also use that and utilize it for the next few months in order to really focus down in on your goals in order to achieve them. Okay, next we need to take action today. Whatever you're doing, make sure to take one, even if it's a small action today that will help you gear towards your main goal. So you really need to write down what you're trying to aim for in order to hit this goal for today. It could be a small task like working out or organizing your house. I think I need to do that too. Or doing something for your small business. Also something I need to do today. Basically, I'm just making a to-do list for myself right now. There's so many things going on. That's why we have to plan things out because nothing's gonna get done. Every time you think of like the small things you have to do, half of the time you're not gonna get it done. But if you write it down or if you put it on sheet or paper, you know you have to do it, and it's so nice to cross things off once you're done. Taking action on one small task will help you go in the right direction. Okay, next, cut out all the bullshit. I'm talking about the friends that are horrible influences to you. That's right, I said it. The ones that are just drinking and smoking every single day of the week. They are not the people you need to be around, especially if you have goals in life. Cut out all the bad habits you're doing, but first you have to recognize what those habits are. So take a day, track everything that you do, figure out the unhealthy habits that you are doing. It could be as soon as you get home from work, you're not going to the gym when you should be going to the gym, or you're not cleaning up after yourself. Those little habits are going to contribute to the bigger picture. How you do one thing is how you do everything. So if you're very messy and unorganized, everything else is going to be messy and unorganized. So make sure that you clean up your unhealthy habits and you start finding healthy habits throughout your day, because that's gonna help you so much. Also, being in unwelcome environments. I don't know about you, but there's always some environments that I go into where I don't feel welcomed or I don't feel value in it pertaining to my goals in life. It's not a bad thing, but a lot of times you grow up and you come into environments where you feel like you don't belong anymore, and that's okay. So what you have to do is find an environment that you are welcomed in and surround yourself with people who are trying to better themselves just like you are. Okay, next is do not compare your day 1 with someone's day 3000. I know nowadays it's so easy to compare your life with someone else's, especially on social media. You really don't know what that person went through the past years or decades. Try to stick to just your story and help that motivate you to progress rather than comparing yourself to someone else. Because really, everyone has such a unique story. You can't do the same thing like someone else because of just your past and how you grew up. Build your own story and let that motivate someone else. Okay, next is allow yourself grace and enjoy the process. Always remember that you deserve this. All the hard work you're putting in, all the things you're sacrificing, it will pay off. Just remember that this is the opportunity of you becoming the better version of yourself. And also think about this. Would you rather be stuck where you are now, or from a year from now, your life would look completely different? Have that for your motivation for today. I hope this video brought some value to your life. But until next time, peace.